My name is Anna, and today I'm going to share with you my knowledge, experience, and obstacles which I face during running my small business. So let's start. Let's start from idea. First, for running any small business, you need to find out the idea which can be successful in the market. I was so excited to sell items for people and create some useful product for them. So I just started thinking what the item this can be. Since I'm from Ukraine, I lived there a lot of time, and in my country is popular the calendars which we have sure around the globe, but not typical one. This is calendar have 365 pages. Which page consists the colorful pictures of characters, of animals, and the motivation quotes for the day. I think this is a really nice idea because every morning you wake up, you take this calendar, you tear up one page, you can see some motivation for this day. This is quotes from famous people, this is quotes from movies or cartoons, this can be even jokes and funny pictures, so you can have it with you in your bags during the day, and this will cheer up you a little bit, and every morning you have something new. It doesn't depend on your mood, but this can cheer up you a little bit, and this really can be similar what's happening during the day with you. So I think it's a really nice idea. This also could be nice niche because this fit for boys and girls, for kids and teens, for even adults. So this really something warm, something create warm emotions, and you can share with friends. You can say, okay, this is my quotes for today, what do you think, something, this can create any short talks for you. So I was so excited about this item, so I just started work on it. So this wasn't so simple. First of all, I created the spreadsheet in Google Excel's, Google spreadsheet, and I just try understand what steps required to final goal, sell the items on marketplace, and how much money is required, what is margin, is this possible to earn something, and yes, so I just started. Everything started from the design. So from creating this calendar, I need design for each page. Honestly, I'm not so creative person, and I'm not able to paint or draw some images, characters or something. So I just thinking, okay, maybe I'll try contact the person who doing this in my country. I try buy this design for past years, and we'll just translate all quotes, and that's it. Job done. So yeah, I contact this person. I ask about estimation in dollars, how much this can cost. Sure, from one side this should be profitable because this design already was used and never can be used in the future, and somebody going to buy it, why not? So yes, so this person sell me this design. So the price was around honestly 500 USD, and yeah, I was so excited. I just started from this day translate all pages, just to have nice look. Problem was all quotes cannot be directly translated because when you translate quotes from one language to another, this sometimes lose the sense. So I just started looking for quotes of famous peoples from American side and put inside. Also I changed a little bit design where this was required. I work all time in the software Color Draw. If you're interested to know, it's really very nice software because you can edit, you can add, you can cut, everything is needed, and support different formats. So this was so helpful for me. But one problem which really was that my idea came to my mind in the end of August, and we know that calendar is this product which should be sold in some period of time. This is not item which we can sell in any month of year. We cannot sell this in next year because, like I said, each page has motivation quote. This has also the date and day of week, and this is related to the year which going to be. So this is honestly was first mistake which I did. Honestly, is that I decided to start from the product which has restricted time for selling. But yeah, this is my experience. I'll just share. So for everybody of you, I recommend start from the item which have not any restriction in time to sell, because if you're going to buy big amount, like 500,000 items, and you have, for example, this Christmas, okay, maybe Christmas is not so bad like calendars because you can sell it another Christmas, but calendars is just related to this year, this time only months, like winter months. So anyway, I decided to work on this calendar stuff, and this was end of August, so good time to sell it. This will be December, January, also November, December, January is best months. I have enough time, but I think, okay, maybe I spend a few weeks to translation, and after I'm going to find manufacturer. They also require some time to make my order. Also, they have own orders, but I just think, okay, and this can take a few weeks after a logistic part, so like delivery, and also depends from where. This will be China, this will be Korea, this will be Mexico, what is closest, or will be local manufacturer. So I just started looking for prices estimation of my calendar, and I started to understand what is required, like thickness of paper, quality of paper, size of calendars, how much how much you have in order, like 100 or 500, the price for item will vary, or like will differ. So a lot of things have impact on total price. Okay, so I just started send a lot of mails to different companies. Okay, this is my calendar, I require 100 pieces. A lot of companies just decline it because they say they're working with bigger amount, like 500,000, but I know that this is first item. I'm not confident that people will like this in country, because different people they differ. And yes, so after some time I got a few quotes for my calendars. Mostly this was from China, since they really have good prices. I just created the table in spreadsheet and organized everything, like what is amount required, what is price for it. And yes, I found one company which ready to make it. So I sent them my design. They made first item they sent me. So first item cost much more, so I paid I remember $100 just for first example to see how this looks, how is it. And after this came to me, I made some correction, like align the pages and change design for one page. They did it, and I bought 300 items. So you can maybe ask, why 300? Why you didn't start from 100? Problem was because for 100, for example, price will be $15 per item, and for 300 price will be $10. So I just think, okay, it's a big difference, maybe I'll order this 300. This was my second mistake, honestly, because better start from small amount and sell everything, and but never know. So anyway, I ordered this 300. I just start feeling that I am like big businessman. I am control the process. They send me the pictures sometimes, how process going, how they assembling this. Also, I ordered the carton box to put calendar inside. This was very nicely. So I was so excited and waiting for the rest of calendars. But in meanwhile, I understand, okay, where are going to sell them? I know that exists different marketplaces like Amazon, Etsy, Facebook, and that's it. That's it. Anyway, I need the stickers. I need the bags. I need to understand how I'm going to ship them. And I start learning about Amazon platform, so what they offer me. So there was two options. One option, this was to store the items in their facility and pay some amount of money for storage, or have it in my site, for example in my room or where I have space. But problem was that I'm going to ship them myself, so I'm going to find the post with good prices, sure, where I can send it, and also what is required for this, which format of stickers, how is working. I completely didn't understand, so I just learned everything step by step. So I went to same Amazon website. I ordered the thermal printer. I just show you how it looks. I have this one. This is not cheapest, but it's not expensive one. So you can see this thermal printer. It's really small. It's good quality for print. It's just printing black and white, so no color. That's it. So this is small printer. You see, it's very nice. So I just put paper here. I have rolls, and this printed from this side. There's already sticker, so I just take it, put in the back. I bought also bunch of bags. I will show you how it looks. So like this. I have a lot of bags, and this still have them. So I have just this format of bags. Put calendar inside, close it, put stickers. This ready for shipping. Okay, bags I have. What next? I need to find post. We have Canada Post. We have FedEx. Oh my God, FedEx. They have terribly high prices, especially for small items. So I just think, oh my God, this is the price for shipping is more than my price per item. So how it's going to work? Yeah, Amazon also offers some options to ship using their service, but problem is that in Canada is not working so well like should be. and I just started to figure out, okay, what we have. Fortunately, in GTA area where I live in Toronto, we have the what we have postal service calling Chit Chat. So they have a really amazing price. They have a lot of locals where you can leave your item, but one of this facility was close to my job, so this was okay because in lunchtime I could easily ship the items. So yeah, so I use this chit chat service, so I know, okay, I have chit chat service, I have bags, I have stickers, okay, I almost ready, and I also already had this first item which was shipped for me, like example to see how this looks. And I think, okay, until the items will be ready, maybe I'll prepare some material, you know, like photos for website, like some not marketing material, but just material which I can share together with my item. So yeah, okay, what next? I think I need good lights, because how I can make quality pictures using my phone, because I have a professional camera, but phone is also fine. So I just bought also the soft boxes with light, 2 of them, and I was really ready to make really nice pictures. Yeah, I did it. It was amazing. I attached these pictures in this video to show you how this looks like. This journey really was excited. I spent I think past around 1 month, and I got entire my order. This was maybe 5 big heavy boxes with calendar inside, and my boyfriend helped me to have everything in my room. And we have big lockers, so I put everything there. I was so excited, you know. I have this big boxes, these are calendars, these like my items. I put a lot of energy in it, so this really was, I was so proud of myself. Also, I forgot to mention that design for Ukraine, this was a little different because it's created for our country. So this had colors like yellow and blue, but in Canada, like this calendar was like for Canada and US, honestly, but mostly Canada production. So I changed these colors to red and white. So this was really nice. I will show you also how this item looks like, which pictures I create. So I have calendars. I have 300 calendars. I'm going to sell it. Sure, I already started to think how I'm going to sell them. Amazon platform, so this is very popular. They have nice like good service. They have platform where people buy, so I started from Amazon. I already count how much is charges, how much is fees. Fortunately, calendars, this is under group books, so the taxes was I think 0%, but only Amazon charges for each sell item I paid. And also, if you're interested, you can pay for marketing. They have different different sorts of marketing. So this means like it depends of keywords. If people click on it or people buy from this link, you know, you pay different amount. Also, it depends of day. This depends of time of everything. So sure, I bought this marketing first just to let people know what is the calendar, how this looks like. And after in next video maybe I'll let you know how this works, which marketing works for me, which not works. And also I work on Etsy platform, on Facebook platform. Also I try sell on open markets in Canada, like artisan market, and how this was. So this is a really long journey with a lot of experience and some obstacles, some failures. So really stay here and enjoy. So this was so amazing journey for me to try my small business, to try work with foreign manufacturer, understand how working local platforms like Amazon, Etsy. Also, I try sell my items on Facebook, but honestly nobody buy it. Like probably from Facebook, people prefer buy second-hand used items, not brand new. So Facebook for me was not successful. Also, I forgot to mention about advertising and how this worked for me. I use advertising from TikTok and from Amazon, but honestly, finally I understood that I stopped all marketing from Amazon. People still continue buying my items, and doesn't matter how much I spend for marketing, people buy it. Also, when this was stopped, so I would say that doesn't matter if you have this marketing on Amazon. If item is good, people like it, people will buy it. And about Etsy, I don't use marketing. This was also fine without marketing, people buy it. On TikTok, I use marketing. I have more involvement, I have more views, but how successful this was, I can't say, since I hadn't related like any promo from TikTok to have opportunity to see how many people came from TikTok. So this was my experience. And also I would like mention that I have a big concurrence in this niche science. Sure, we have different type of calendars and people can buy it, but exactly what I had, nobody had before. So yeah, this was like advantage of this. And let's summarize it. Yes, I had experience with manufacture. I know how work in advertisement. I know how deliver the item using different posts, how prices differ from post to post, how prices different from day to day. I know that more expensive is delivery by plane, but fastest. Like cheaper by ship, but take longer time. So you should be prepared before, not rushing, not punished by times. Also, the mistakes what was done is that limited of time for selling. This item work only for this year, only for these few months, no anymore. For example, if you choose selling the bags or some sport items, hobby items, this work entire year. Maybe you buy items for picnic. This working only for summer and spring, for example. But still, every year you have summer and spring, but not every year you have same year. Sorry. So yeah. So this was my another mistake. Also, like I bought 300. Yeah, it's cheaper per item, but it's too much to sell for these 3 months. What I understood the best options in this category for calendars will be to have oven manufacture in home. So if I will have the oven printer, and if I see, okay, I have 3 orders today, I print them, I assemble them, I ship them. So I not lose money for not needed items, I not lose money for delivery, I not lose money for paying for work from manufacturer. But it also requires some investments for printers and this stuff. So this one like opportunity for future to minimize expenses. I hope this video was helpful for you. This will motivate you, not stop, not give up, just continue. Just use my experience, just use my failures and mistakes, and try understand how market working, how we can really minimize expenses and have better profit. Also, don't scare, try something new, because I really tried new. I try not like tried new things, but just try doing this myself, like creating photos for a website myself, create products, find manufacturer, find a way to pack it, sell it, also monitor how people are satisfied with items, and create marketing products, some like videos content and pictures content photo content for TikTok and Etsy. So sure, you can review my TikTok account, you can review the pictures which I showing during this presentation. I'd be very happy if you share your knowledge, your experience, your questions in the comments below, and I can continue work in same direction.